The Donkey Dog is for tuning my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a flip-flop. Now, no big deal really. Was given potentially 5-star hotels for free, and I met a really cool guy from India, and when he left, he left me a few things which he didn't want to go back take back home, and that was a year ago, and it was this flip flop as well. So ever since I've been warning every single day, and as you can see on the picture, it's just completely ripped. My mistake, because I made a really dodgy step, but either way I found a little solution for it, and I just screwed the out of them. So basically a couple of dry wall screws right into the meat, so nothing came out on the bottom, nothing came onto the top, and his legacy is still alive. So Donkey Dog is true, and for the 40 years of whiskey and all the drinks you paid for me, I really appreciate. And to be honest, in the 20 years in this hall, possibly or most definitely the greatest human being I ever met. And unfortunately he had to depart, and we couldn't build on our friendship. But every moment I spend with him, and we not gay, no, we just had a great time. So Donkey Dog is for tuning my channel, and that's how you fix a flip flop. Arawa.